Another scientist devote their lives to fighting cancer, AIDS, heart disease. You guys know. I'm focusing. So, what's her name?
Right.
Man, so beautiful. She nice?
Great.
So you'll fuck her?
I think so.
You don't know? Hello. Oh, hello. Nazi.
Bist du die ganze Luftwaffenführung sofort aufhängen?
Man, so beautiful.
Oh, George. Oh, George. Oh, George. Oh.
I still don't understand why we had to fuck on that movie.
No, I can't. Maybe you're fucking.
Some orgasm this, orgasm that, 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 some orgasm this, orgasm that.
You don't know? Hello. Oh, hello. Jerry. Hello, Jerry. Patty Lawrence had orgasms. What do you think about that? Oh, that. Well. And I got calls into 6 other women, and I'll bet you they confirm an orgasm, too. So what do you have to say now, Jerry? Hello.
I really don't feel like seeing it. You know, I faked it.
These mangoes are beautiful.
There's chocolate molten here.
Hello. Oh, hello. Another scientist devotes their melon. Oh, sure, thousands of people are dying needlessly, but that's... I feel like I'm doing something wrong right now. Are you saying you're banning me from the store?
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Mangoes are beautiful. The female orgasm, it's kind of like the Batcave. Hello.